In this video, we will discuss how to navigate to, input, and certify NMTC TLR information in Amos's new Lightning interface. There are multiple ways to input certified TLR records in Amos. One way is through CSV and XML files through the TLR Import Export Certify object located on the navigation bar. Another way is to do so manually. Let's check out the CSV route now. So currently, I am logged into Lightning Communities as an admin user affiliated with the Test Applicant Org 1 organization, and I'm looking at the home page. The process for uploading CSV files is identical to Salesforce Classic. Simply go to the TLR Import, Export, and Certify page and select your organization. There are 4 primary objects associated with NMTC TLR: TLR Project, TLR Note, TLR Address, and Loan Source and Disbursements. TLR Project is the parent object of TLR Note and TLR Address. TLR Note is the parent object of Loan Source and Disbursements. You can download the CSV templates here under the NMTC CSV section, and you can upload them here underneath the NMTC CSV section. Quickly, let's walk through the upload process. Let's download a CSV file, in this case, TLR address. For the sake of expediency, I've already filled it out here. Now let's upload it. And we'll do so by going to the Import New NMTC TLR address, add your file, select Start, and the upload process begins. After it is finished uploading, select Submit. As you can see, the process is exactly the same for the other objects. For XML files, download the template here, NMTC TLR XML schema. To upload the template, go here, Import XML NMTC TLR. Now, let's go about the manual way for uploading TLR Project, TLR Note, TLR Address, and Loan Source and Dispersed records. Let's start with TLR Project. To go to TLR Project, select TLR Projects on the navigation bar. New TLR projects cannot be added manually, but they can be edited by selecting an individual record and then the Edit button. If I go to the TLR Project Related tab, I can see the aforementioned child objects of the TLR Project object: TLR Note and TLR Address. To add a new TLR note, simply select this New button and input the required field information. To add a new TLR address, go to the top right here and select New Address. For loans and disbursements, go to a TLR note record. And go to its related lists, and you'll see Loan Source and Disbursements. To add a new Loan Source and Disbursements record, select this New button and fill out the required fields. In addition to going through a TLR project record to find these objects, you can also find TLR notes and Loan Source and Disbursements on the navigation bar. Now, let's pivot and talk about certification. Certification of NMTC TLR records is very straightforward. After you have uploaded your TLR project, your TLR note, your TLR address, and loan source and disbursement records. It is time to certify. To certify, select Final Certification and then Submit. That's it.